Are you a freelancer? Are you a business owner? Or are you just someone who wants to start a small business? In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to start up and run your solo business all by yourself. And I'll also be teaching you 5 tips you need to run your business successfully. Stay tuned. So number 1, define your niche. Have you defined your niche? Do you understand what particular industry you are in? You need to be able to understand your industry to be able to serve your audience. So for example, we have restaurants and we have restaurants. We have restaurants that probably sell a specific kind of food such as amala joints or Calabar kitchen, and then we have some restaurants that cater for like everybody, you know, like your Chicken Republic or Mr. Biggs, or you know, those kind of restaurants. So if I want to get really nice amala or really nice Calabar or local food, I would rather go to the one that serves specifically to my need rather than the one that just serves every other person. So this has to be applied to your business. You have to ask yourself, what industry am I in? Who am I actually selling to? What is the purpose and what is the value I'm actually giving to my customers? And what problem am I specifically solving in my niche? So these are the very important questions you need to ask yourself so that you can be able to identify your niche and your uniqueness. Number 2, have an online presence. The importance of your business being online cannot be overemphasized. I mean, how do you want to reach people from various places without your business being online? With your business or running ads, you can meet thousands to millions of people on the online space without even having to be presently in that physical location. For example, look at Hilda, the latest cookathon champion. So do you think you would have been able to hear about her if she wasn't actively online? The answer is no. So the power of social media is so strong that you can be able to pass across a message in splits of seconds across the world just by having an online presence. Your business might not be able to go far to reach people in different countries or different locations if you are not able to put it online. So go on Instagram, open an Instagram page, open a Facebook page, go everywhere, because everyone needs to know what you are selling, and you cannot do your publicity alone. So you need the help of social media to be able to run your business effectively. Number 3, creating systems. So as an entrepreneur, you do know that you have to pass through levels. Maybe your customer has to pass through certain journeys, such as awareness, consideration, decision, advocacy, before they even, you know, can buy a particular product. So if you start from, you know, the second or the third without starting from the first, you might confuse your customer. So what do? You create systems that helps them seamlessly pass from one stage to another. Creating systems also in your advertisement, in your communication, and even in your posting on social media, such as using scheduling tools, such as using your email automation tools, and so much more. These systems helps you to save more time and save more energy, you know, in whatever you're doing. So for example, I personally use an email service provider that helps me automate my emails, and I don't have to send them one after the other or have to be there to be able to send them. So I could schedule a whole bunch of emails in one day and I'm done for the month. Or I could go on my Facebook Meta Business Suite and schedule the post that needs to go on my Facebook and Instagram for a whole month. So why waste time doing those things one after the other when you can actually do them, all at once, and have more time as a business owner to plan, strategize, and even market your business. So are you using systems and tools? So number 4, build time management skills. You cannot understand how important this skill is until you miss a very big deal, that comes to you because you are not able to manage your time. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about my story. I had an interview to onboard a new client for what I do, and I got stuck at a particular place. I couldn't charge my device, and I was there with a friend. I had went into a conversation, that took away my attention, and I didn't know that I had spent over an hour there, and I was supposed to be at where the client was by that time. So by the time I was supposed to go there, time had already gone. The client was already there calling me, waiting for me. And by the time I got to where the client was, the client had left. Now, whose fault was it, or who is to be blamed? Obviously, I am to be blamed because I did not manage my time well. So if you're going to be a boss of yourself, you have to be able to manage your time properly. Now, you're not going to have anyone calling you, telling you this is the time you're supposed to do it. You have to be the boss of your own time. If you're not able to do this, you'll discover that you become lazy, have lapses, and procrastinate through the process of handling your business. So ask yourself today, am I managing my time well? Am I investing my time in the things I'm supposed to be investing my time in? Or am I just whiling and wasting my time and hoping that my business will move forward without putting the adequate efforts? So number 5, build networks and relationships. So as a business owner or a freelancer, you need to be able to connect with people, both people in your industry and people out of your industry, because recommendations are one of the major ways your business can grow. Personally, I have thrived on recommendations. Multiple of the places I've worked was based on recommendations. Sometimes you might go out to, look for a job somewhere and you might not get it, but just a simple recommendation or referral from someone knows would go a really long way. So what do? Build relationships, attend webinars, conferences, network, let people know what you're all about. Build your social media to let people know that, okay, this is what you do and this is what you're really good at. Always learn to connect with people, even on a different level. Let them know how much you can actually help them, to improve their businesses or improve themselves without even looking for favors. Building relationships, genuine relationships, and networking with people is one of the most important things that will take you far as a solo business owner. So if you thought this video was helpful, I want you to subscribe, like, and comment below. And don't forget, turn on your notification button so that you could get more insightful videos from us at TLI Community. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.